Styles having our chicken strips and fries, and we just got the best surprise sound check ever, singing Living on a Prayer. It was great. We'll show you in the video. But everyone is here except for our sisters. Unfortunately, they couldn't be here, but we've got all but 2 of the babies. So there's Dad, there's Maddox, and Bella, and Mama and Lorelai, and Ashlyn and Michael. So we are going to eat really quick, and then we are going to head over today in the big area instead of Kittyland. That comes later today. We're going to head over to the Bat first, and then make our way back to the Beast because, as of course everybody knows, they've redone it. So we are going to conquer the Beast today, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. All right, we're going to eat, and then like always,
and for guys, and not that like butter.
We are on our way back to the Bat. We're going to see who is tall enough to ride today. I definitely just got a great shot of the Banshee coming down off the first hill, so it's super cool. So let's find out who's going to ride the Bat today. It's been a lot of years since me or Michael have rode it, but we're going to do it, and we're going to take 2 of our babies on it with us. First up to see if she's tall enough, and I'm pretty sure she is, Ashlyn. Yes! All right. Oh, Bella! What did you think of the Bat?
I loved it, but afterwards I threw up.
Will you ride it again?
Yes.
Absolutely. Look at me. Would you ride it again?
Yes.
Bella, what did you think? What'd you think?
Got nothing. It was amazing.
It was amazing. Are you going to ride it again? All right, guys, you heard it. These 2 officially love it. We got our dining plan. And like Michael said, it is very, very hot. It's hot today. It's crowded because it is actually Music in the Park week. So we've got a bunch of high schools here and their bands and their choirs. So that's pretty cool. But we are time to eat again. So we are going to hit the Coney Barbecue. They have some really good ribs, brisket, and things like that. So we're going to get that and we'll show you what we get and let you know how it is. This is Coney Barbecue. It's over in Coney Land. Coney Island, I think. Get the monster, the scrambler, and here it is. And of course, they accept that dining plan. Working with Mila here. So this is what they've got to offer. Looks delicious. So one of our meals, we're going to do the ribs. The ribs? Yes, ma'am. Look at those. So good. And the next one, we're going to do chicken tenders. And look at those tenders.
What do we get besides your stuff?
French fries.
French fries.
French fries on those 2.
French fries for that one as well.
All right, and the last one, let's do, you want to try the smoked sirloin? We're gonna try the smoked sirloin today. We're gonna try that smoked sirloin. That looks super good. All right. Thank you, Mila. You wanna do greens? We're gonna do some collard greens today. We're filming for a vlog. You guys wanna say hi? All right, and look at these lovely ladies here. They are awesome. They are so appreciated. Thank you guys so much. You too. All right, thank you. So this is what we get. We just tried the sirloin from the Coney Barbecue, and it is so tender, so flavorful. Oh my God, so good. Say hi to little Lorelai. Say hello. What do you think?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for the chicken. What do you think? 100? Michael?
A million.
Michael had the ribs, and he says that they are amazing. He asks for them every time we come here. It's one of our favorite places. And Ashlyn? Funny? You heard it. The Coney Barbecue is the place to visit here when you want to sit down, relax, and have a awesome off-the-grill meal. So check it out. And as you've seen, the people here are always make sure to thank them. Thank you goes a long way. Memo just got back because we get the premium all-day dining plan, and with the premium all-day dining plan, you get a free snack or meal every 90 minutes and a free drink every 15 minutes. So this is what she got.
Pretzel and cheese dip.
So she was able to get that pretzel and cheese instead of a full meal. You get a snack. So they offer lots of things. Mom, can you hand me that?
I was gonna get the Oreo cheese.
So they give you a list of everything that is offered. So these are places that offer things for the meal plan, things that are offered with the meal plan. So she was able to get a pretzel, or you can get cotton candy or churro bites. So lots of options. Dining plan location. My birthday button because I'm celebrating my birthday, and the kids just used their meal pass and got the 4-count mini cinnamon rolls at Cinnabon. They're super cute. Let's see real quick so you can see them. Look at that, so cute. Good?
That's a million.
Yeah, is it good? Bella, how's the cinnamon roll? Mom, how are they? Yeah. On our way to the back lot stunts coaster and taking the girls on that. So we will getting ready to take the girls on, and we'll see what they think when we're done. Is it good? Is it yummy? Yeah! So good! down for just a little bit. But we finally got back in line and it was an absolute success. What do you think?
I like that.
Yes. What do you think?
Loved it. Oh my gosh.
Yes. So, they like it. So unfortunately, Maddox found out he's too short. So we're going to have to jump over to Kittyland real quick so he can ride some rides. He's not really rode anything. I'm going to try to get him on the Baby Beast. So fingers crossed. It's the same thing as something like this, so it's not that bad. We'll see how it goes. Are you excited? Are you guys excited? Yeah! The rain is coming in. We were going to try a new ride, the gliders, in Kittyland. So we are hoping that we can get the kids on the Ladybugs really quick, so that way Maddox and Michael can ride something. It took some time today because of, the events going on and things like that. So we're going to load up here on the Ladybugs and let them have a little fun real quick before the rain. Getting ready to watch them go on the Ladybugs. Wave at them. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Bye-bye, every dare. At the French Corner, and Mom just got the chicken croissant. Rain. I'm going to go into Skyline real quick, get a couple of hot dogs for me and some of the kids. Michael went over to get the other kids some pizza and breadsticks, and then we're going to head out to the car and eat real quick and then hit the road. So I think we're going to end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Look out for more this summer. We're going to be coming all the time, and we're so excited. So thank you, Kings Island, for always having us. And until next time, guys, enjoy this family fueled life. It's crazy all the time.